Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob for the Honda Ridgeline. Now this key was used from 2006 to 2014. It's got kind of rounded buttons on it like this. First thing you'll need to do is flip this key over to its backside, and there's a small screw here. Phillips screw. If you have a precision screwdriver set, I'll link to this one you can get on Amazon for like $4. You're going to need a really small screwdriver to get this little baby screw out. I've already loosened this one, but the first time you do it, it can be quite difficult. Okay, so once we've got that screw out, the next thing we need to do is look in the lower left, the mid side of the key. There's an indentation where you can insert a Phillips screwdriver, like so, and if you twist, you can get some leverage to separate this base from these two pieces into one. And the only connection point's up here at the top, so if you kind of pull it towards you and pop it out, it'll come right off. All right, now the internals of this battery you can just pull out pretty easily like this, and then we can set aside the case for the time being. So the internals of the battery in the upper right here, again, there's another indentation where we can put in a Phillips screwdriver and just twist, and you'll get access to the internal battery here. Now the battery is a CR1616 3-volt coin battery, and when you change this, just make sure when you put a new one back in that the positive side is facing away from you. So there's the CR1616. So you put a new one in. This one will just kind of pop in. If you just kind of place it in, make sure it kind of gets set, and then yeah, you're all set. So make sure that there should be no lettering when it's facing you like that. Then reassemble the internal part of this fob. Make sure it's still getting lights. That looks good. And from there, it's just getting our outer casing back together. Put the internal set back in, and then when you're resetting this, if you set this upper lip here, kind of has a ridge to it. If you kind of get that set first, it really makes getting everything else, getting the rest of the base set much easier. So if you get that set, okay. See, I didn't get it set there, so if we get it set first, okay, there we go. Then everything pops together really nicely, and then you just put in the last little baby screw, and that's it. And that's how you change the fob battery for the Honda Ridgeline from 2006 to 2014. And again, the battery in this one was the CR1616.